Hey, good morning, everyone. Good afternoon. And good evening, guys. How's it going, chat? Happy June time. Happy Monday time. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, chat. Hi. Let's go, guys. How's it going? How are you today? Let me just share this with our community members. Pretty much everywhere we are live on all the groups. Make sure to let your friends know about all the traders, everyone. Bring them together, guys. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. $25,000 giveaway today on the Top 1 Futures account. Good morning, Chad. Good evening and good afternoon. We are ready.
Order filled. Order filled.
To smash for a long position here. I've been checking around the markets, and I've been seeing today a correlation on the daily VWAP. As you guys can see it, daily VWAP is reacting on support. We are ready to print some money. You smell a long? The long is right here, guys. The long is right here.
Order filled.
Adding a little more to this for the upcoming green candle I'm expecting. But I don't need more than 1,500. So 6 points to go, everyone. Beautiful, guys. Here we are.
Order filled.
Let's go, guys. Target is right there, waiting to be touched. 278, 4 points from here. We're trading our Top 1 Futures copy traded account. And I'm looking for seeing a bounce here from the daily VWAP. Yearly opening daily VWAP is what we're dealing with here. Hey, TDL from Canada. Good morning from there as well. How you doing, guys? Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Hey, Navab. How's it going, buddy? Pretty good, enthusiastic about this week, and especially when it comes down to a new month. Feeling great. It's a refreshing feeling that we have things to achieve this month. Oh, you are Tony. I'm definitely knowing you, buddy. TDL, I'm definitely knowing you. Good to see you again. You are rebranding. Come on, guys, take this one up to 278. It's not much to do in this price section usually we're building. And what we got here is a higher low, right? My target is minimal. So we have a form of momentum here in this move that I'm riding. And at this point also there is a daily VWAP. So obviously makes sense here for a long. Look at the prices. 3 more points needed. It's gonna be sponsored by Belugas. And we're gonna see that. How does it work out? We're gonna see a total different performance, very likely. It's another leak. Three points needed with that little squeezing there. It's not requesting much, right? And it looks like it wants to get there, so obviously I'm gonna put my stop loss to my entry, guys. We're not gonna risk anything on this. We got 2 points needed here. Looks like an easy trade, right? I don't know if it's an easy trade or not. I'm not closing anything yet. I'm going for my entire target. Come on. One tick. One tick is needed there.
Order filled.
And it has been touched, everyone. There you go, $1,547. The target has been touched on the copy traded accounts for top 1 futures for today. There you go. That's the way to start a month. Boom. Beautiful. Good morning, guys. We touched the target. I am back in a single minute, guys. Just bear with me. Be right back with you in a single minute, everyone. Here we are, guys. I am back in business. So what's happening here? The market wants to go higher. The market wants to climb higher. Let's go, guys. NRG trader. Top one is not having a minimum amount you have to do per day to count as a trading. No. Let me see the discussion. Wildly, let me verify this. They have changed the discount because it has expired, but let me see exactly. So let's get to their website. Instant SIM funded. Their website is telling us that the promotion is right now 35% at $600, right? 35%, $600 per account. But if we go to get funded, right, and we say scramble coupon code 150K, and we put scramble, apply. It's $360, guys. This is still 55%. Looks like they didn't change this yet. The promotion should have been changed, but looks like my coupon code is still working on 55%, 360 compared to what is... Wow, that's massive difference, guys. Let me share with you the link for those of you interested. This code should have expired. I mean, not the code itself, but simply the promotion itself. The promotion should have already expired. Half time. You have to win the giveaway for an account. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. We just started in the first couple of minutes breaking the 1,500, touching the target for the day in the account, which is lovely. Moving to the next account.
Order filled. Order filled.
We got into our long here. We got into our long position. Based on the technical, from the yearly, looks like we're bouncing 200 EMA, daily VWAP. So this is a very strong support area, guys. This one right here. The question goes around the... Yeah, they removed the instant payout add-on. They removed that. It shouldn't be 55 because it has expired 55%. It should be only 40. Looks like they did not update it. They will do it. But looks like so far they did not. This is not looking good. I'm gonna cut it away.
Order filled. Order filled.
Simply, I'm gonna cut it away here. That's not looking good. We are repositioning. The payout on the dashboard will appear at the time you qualify for the payout. So you need to reach the threshold. And simply, you have to touch the consistency and threshold, and the payout request is going to appear. If you're speaking about the add-on from... looks like it's no longer appearing here. Correct. The add-ons should appear here, guys. Probably they are updating right now the website or something like that. Because the add-ons should appear here. This is a bug they have. Look at this one, guys. It's good that we have exited. It's really good that we have exited out of the trade. We cut the loss. Looks like there is a bug with that. On their website with a payout add-on. Waiting any time. That's a pretty powerful sell-off with a triple top structure. The sell-off here is attacking a lot of the orders. There's a bunch of people that got based on the following things in longs. And they're cutting losses, which is why we have this long candlesticks here, guys. There's this red 5-minute candle, it's the way it is because of that. Quite earlier we had a good point technically of a long. Yeah, you might get an account for your birthday. I meant basically the giveaway. So in that form, you might win a giveaway for your birthday. You might be lucky with that. MGC, they are gonna update the promo code because simply they told me that 55% will expire. So it has expired, but it's still there offering people 55. The new promotion is 35 on their website and 40 with my code. But looks like they're still giving you 55 for some reason with my code. It's quite weird. Welcome, Mateo. What's up, buddy? Are you ready for another massive week out here? For the giveaway, you have to be on the stream. The giveaway is going to be on the live stream. You just have to be here. Everyone, make sure to like the video so we pick the numbers up. Share the video as well with your friends, with your trading groups, with everyone that you know about and you enjoy. Invite them, as we're looking forward to constructing a community of capable traders. You gotta be here for the giveaway. This is the place that's gonna be held. Good morning, trader. Five minutes and we have, no, not yet. 10 a.m. EST time, we actually have the news. ISM manufacturing PMI, but today, Powell speaks, guys, today at 1 p.m. EST time, so that's gonna shake the markets a little bit back and forth. There's been rumors with the pressure of Powell getting fired. I don't know what to say. There's a bunch of people from the economical side of US saying that the business with the rate cuts, it's already going political instead of being realistically based only on the economy. They have catalog on their Biden administration, and now they're not cutting when there are so many opportunities, some say, of cutting these rates. They don't want to cut rates. I think we have the next meeting in July. They don't want to cut rates in July. And they say this is a political fight instead of being a problem of the economy. So they are seeking methods of getting rid of Powell. Hey Shaggy, you have to be here for the giveaway. You have to be here on the stream till the end because the giveaway is going to be organized here on the stream. You'll have to be here on the live chat. You have to watch this and I'm going to give you instructions. It's going to be a game that you want to participate. So this is the way it works. Thank you, by the way, for joining today. Appreciate it.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
We gotta take this one back above the daily VWAP. Nicely converted a support reaction back in the day. 254. So this movement right below the VWAP could only be a simple liquidity grabbing process. Simple liquidity sweep. If the bulls are going to react here, it has been clearly a liquidity sweep. We need around 2,613 points from here. That would be lovely. They just changed it right now, didn't they? Let me verify that for you guys. Let me verify that one for you. Instant sim funded, 150k. Apply. Yeah, they just changed it right now, so they updated the promotion to 40%. Now it's $439. You guys had a few minutes where you could have got an extra discount there for those of you that bought it. Look at that one, fellas. The add-ons are still missing from here. They're gonna be updated too, I assume. But this is crazy. They just changed it. Exactly. It was 360 10 minutes ago with the old coupon. Now it's 440. Right? That's almost $80 extra per account. 3 accounts equals with 240. I'm 100% sure they're watching the live stream. Yeah, 100% sure. Yep. Some of you had a few minutes to go on with the previous code, guys. With a previous discount rate. If you were faster. Come on, fellas. We should have some strength here. I mean, are we gonna convert this daily VWAP into resistance? You know, there is a risk behind that, which is why I'm not really too happy being overexposed if the rejection steps in here. I don't want to be holding through a long with 10 contracts, certainly not. I'm fully
Order
out
filled.
here. I made, how much is that? Like $400 maybe. Yeah, that's pretty funny, guys. By the way, Ticktick Trader has changed their total website and dashboard area. I'm gonna make a video about this. They have extended their 50%. Look at that. This is Ticktick Trader. They extended basically the promotion of 50%. That's an interesting reaction here.
Order filled.
Let me see if it holds.
Order filled.
272 would be a beautiful
Order
entry.
filled.
Exit. I don't
Order
even actually
filled.
need that much. $264 is fine for me. With our 9 minis, we are good to go, guys. Have a look into that. We're about to touch the target of the day here as well. On Ticktick Trader, that's the payout I've received on a 250k account quite some time ago. When it was easier than today. It was easier than today. So with the previous rules they had, with the new rules I didn't got it. We're about to hit the target, everyone. We're about to hit the target here. We were just 2 ticks away. Come on, guys, just push this a little higher. We would actually touch our top 1 futures accounts total targets for the day. Come on, guys. We need those fireworks. Get into 264. What's happening there?
Order
I'm closing
filled.
this one. We've got $879. We are fine with that for the moment. Beautiful, guys. Let's run a show of fireworks. And there you go. Sitting on grind, guys. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video so we pick the numbers. And we take everything to the moon. We've got so far back-to-back green trading. Look at these. This is the 3rd account here. And then the other 2 are copy traded as usually. But they got to the target, 1,547. Good morning, guys. They're gonna change the dashboard too. They're working on it. So they just updated the front website, but they're gonna change the dashboard too. They're working on it. It's gonna be a nice dashboard. They have told me some time ago about it. Thank you, guys. Wish you a green day as well. Looks great so far, to be honest with you. Wondering about what's happening in the crypto market these days. If crypto follows, if Bitcoin follows gold, look what happened on gold. We broke out. So we have a massive downtrending resistance line, and we just broke out. So right now, gold is bullish, which is usually something that Bitcoin is going to follow. So it's really questionable when we get that breakout on the BTC, guys. But very likely we're gonna follow. Wish you a green day, a green week, and a green month, everyone. Nasdaq is pretty wild today. It's a bunch of volatility, guys, for the pre-market. Telling you, this is not easy to be trading around. Look at this 5-minute candle. Strength is not missing from this levels. What we're missing basically a continuation and a push, which I believe it's going to appear with the US Open 279, 280s. It's not going to be a big deal trading above 280s, which will take us back to the daily opening 303. And that's going to be a beautiful fight right there. Crossing that or opening doors. We want to see those rate cuts. This is an interesting opportunity
Order
here, guys.
filled.
Even though we got a rejection, this 1 minute push we had represents so much strength that I'm willing to
Order filled.
take the risk as usually. I need to make about 660 bucks. We're fine with that. 269 for my target. Back to the top of the wick. Wow. Hey, trading buddy, how's it going? Pretty good.
Order filled. Order filled.
That 1 minute push we had there earlier, we had that 1 minute strong push, should not end like this. Like right now we're squeezing below the yearly opening and the daily VWAP. That's where the fight is right now. If we lose 245, we're gonna get back into the 200s here. So I'm not gonna be too happy sitting in a long in that case scenario. Yet at the moment I'm quite aggressive here. Going with an impulse that I'm smelling. Hopefully it gets delivered. It's going to be interesting today with Powell speaking. There's so much pressure around him.
Order filled.
Beautiful, guys. We touched the target. Basically, we are full profit on Top 1 futures on all the 3 accounts, hitting the maximum target. And here we go, guys. This is the first trade of the month. How does it sound? And how's the tradition, guys? If you start off like that, is it gonna be the whole month like this? Or it's just a superstition? What do you think, guys? I mean, how is it? I don't know. You guys tell me. It's the target everywhere. Top 1 with their green colors, green logo, green website is delivering the green P&L. We had some payouts when the rules were a little bit easier, but since they changed here back and forth, I did not. It was pretty close last week for a payout. We needed about $2,000 extra, and usually my days are 1,500, so I missed basically my last payout between the fingers. The good part is that you can accumulate accounts at 350, and then payout is basically slightly above $3,000, so you have a huge margin out there. Even if you're losing 5, 6, 7 accounts, you're pretty much in profit or breaking even, so that's a good part. I'm speaking just about streams. I don't trade off stream at all. Hey, good morning, Fernandez. Make sure, guys, to join our Discord, especially if you want to be part of the giveaway. You gotta be part of the Discord. Oh, that's pretty bad. Half time, that's pretty bad to hear. I'm sorry to hear that. You have a difficult moment out there. $15-minute looks very bullish here. It wants to continue, as you can see. Everyone, make sure to join my Discord basically to be part of the giveaway today. $25,000 account instant funding offered by Top on Futures. Currently dominating the instant funding space. Best programs out there. It's a beautiful long here. Beautiful conditions to push this long higher and higher. I think it's reliable. Yeah, probably I'm not using Trade Evade. Probably they got some. Not using Trade Evade at all. I don't really like it. I'm more of a Project X Quant Tower guy. That 15-minute close wants to get higher. So if we get a little pullback here, I'm gonna long this from my Ticktick trader account too. Might not get anything on time. I just sweep highs. That's right, buddy. Let's have a look into the 1 hour candlesticks, and those are representing tons of strength. 1 hour wants to get to the 400, guys. There is a bunch of wicks here that are not going to remain untouched, and if we cross them, you know what we're opening. We're opening the doors for the liquidity we've got here. Look at a fair value gap from the top. It's not going to remain untouched there. That's a very important fair value gap. And this is 21.740s. It starts on 21.740s. Reliable fair value gap there. So just pull the markets during this week and the upcoming week to those levels. With a rate cut, we could see that quite easily. Now, I don't know if they want to do it. They don't like, Powell is extra cautious, so they don't like that. Hyper.
Order filled. Order filled.
Opening some trades on my Ticktick trader account too. Could tank from here, of course. From the highs we have here, because obviously it's a pivot point, it's a rejection point. But then trading is too easy if it always rejects at a time we have resistance. We short at a time we have support, we long. They do other things as well. Let's go, guys, with levels above the 300s here. Nah, that's an ugly rejection on the 1 minute. I don't like
Order
that.
filled.
I'm out. Accepting 240 loss. Earlier, I've been accepting on my top one. We were down $800, right? And then I brought it back into break even and then put it into profit, hitting the target of 1,500. Look at this one, guys. What's happening if you're exiting at the right time? Based on the price action with the rejection we got there in the whip minute, could save your ass. Do we get this highs here converted? What do you guys think about this? Is, you know, 270.79 previous taps here, previous body of the candlesticks. We get the converted, or we get back to the yearly opening 270s. Thank you for joining, appreciate it. Reaction is there.
Order filled.
Today we're gonna trade Ticktick Trader, Thrive. We already traded top 1 futures, so there's 3 instant funding companies. $261. Two contracts right there. That's gonna be interesting, guys. 2 limit orders there. And then another one on 254. That's really possible, Enzo Rain. We might have just artificially squeezed and swept above here. That's a scenario to keep in mind. If we get it back into 76, I'm out. Cutting losses there. So just about 8 points from here, I'll be out. Might get front run here, but I don't mind. The minimum for top 1 futures is 6%. That's the payout threshold. 6%. And you have to respect the 20% consistency. Pretty simple. First payout is 6%, second payout is 5%, third payout is 4%. Yearly opening is really question here for me if we have any form and any capability of reacting on the yearly opening. 200 EMA 2 for the 5 minutes, so it's questionable. We just have that chance here of sweeping into 60s and then I get my limit orders filled up. I mean, I would be happy with that. Yeah, pretty terrible half time. AOXC. Come on, guys, squeeze it into sweep my 60s and then reverse. Reversing for an earlier cut on my loss. This is a long which I'm not really expecting to make money out of it. I'm just looking for cutting my losses better. Nope, we have not swept my position. My limit orders, I mean, that were waiting. We've got the giveaway, guys, today. $25,000 offered by the Top 1 Futures instant funding prop firm at the moment, the best. Dominating the field. During the stream, it's gonna be. Look at that one, guys. What a push we have here. What a push we have here. And if we continue with this strength, obviously, I'm not gonna cut my position until we get to my 303, which is the daily opening pivot point. I'm gonna cut away my limit orders, not needing them anymore, and setting the
Order filled.
Adding a little more to this here. And I would actually need around 1,745 to cover my realized loss and get to my target here. That would be sufficient. Look at this crazy 5-minute push. Pretty aggressive here with the bulls. Someone just said it earlier, we are... We are strong. Putting my stop loss to my entry, guys. I have to do it. My entry is not good. This was an entry done in the movement we pretty much generated this sell-off earlier. So my entry was right before. That's why I'm playing the safety here. But that's an interesting reaction. Looks like the yearly opening totally reacted on us. And now, looks like they want to take this to my target. Come on, guys. Just a little more. One little point. I'm out.
Order filled.
Beautiful. 1,380 bucks realized profit here from 250 minus. That's more than 1,500. Great, great. So we got 5 accounts traded today, back-to-back profits. That's the way to kickstart June. I'll look into buddy. But be careful, guys, with private messages that you might direct message scammers. There's a lot of scammers on Discord utilizing my name, so be careful, everyone. Very, very careful. Look at the amount of rejection here.
Order
I don't think
filled.
this rejection is having strength to pull this one.
Order filled.
I would need about 150 bucks more. I don't need too much out of this trade to get to my max profit for the day. Weird price action here.
Order filled.
Pretty weird. Hey, Anton, how's it going? 3 times more on 150k. 3 times more because it's a 3 times more size. The pounds, $2,500, $2,000, depends. Moving very nice today, Anton. Nicely putting together the numbers. Top 1 futures is maximum profit on all the 3 accounts. About to hit the target here on Ticktick Trader for this copy traded, so we're gonna have 5 accounts on 1,500, and then only 1 is gonna be left to be traded, and we can finally move to Thrive. But this is doing dirty things here. I'm out.
Order filled.
That's a dirty rejection there. Should have not appeared. Gotta slow down things for the moment and see what's gonna be the outcome. They managed somehow to deny this movement into the daily opening. It's gonna be heavy volatility, guys, with the Powell speaking today at 1 p.m. EST time, and then we have some manufacturing PMI news at 10 a.m. But also 25 minutes to go for the US market opening. Look at this one. Today we've cut our losses early every time, and we have been doing the right thing. We have been performing the right thing, everyone.
Order filled.
We got into a little short here. It's a form of a scalping, not much, but could give us like $100 back to 261.
Order
I'm out of
filled.
this. I don't like it. It's a level here that actually strongly supported and delivers, so have to be careful. It's really undecided. Interesting. Interesting point.
Order filled.
We got into a little short here, little micro. Mini, actually, not micro. I'm not trading micros for the moment.
Order filled. Order filled.
It's a beautiful move.
Order filled.
This is not looking good for a short here. Putting my stop loss right above.
Order filled.
Yeah. No. What a price action. They just want to attack the top again. Yearly has confirmed. Support is there.
Order filled. Order filled.
Five-minute looks better, and it actually seeking for a long.
Order filled.
Wow. That 5-minute candle is totally disappearing.
Order filled. Order filled.
They don't have a micro scalping rule. Thrive is not having one. We'll have to cut my position there. Based on the market structure, that's not really looking good for me. You're welcome. We had a great looking 5-minute candlestick earlier that disappeared. Now we're sitting in the middle of nowhere. So we're pretty much choppy here between this level so far. Yearly, EMA, daily VWAP. Squeeze people and traders from both sides. We broke above, we came below, we back to. Very interesting, fellas. This is not an easy market structure for the momentum trading. Momentum traders are getting chopped out. Yearly opening is delivering again. If they deny this again, obviously we gotta be out because it's extremely dangerous in that instance. Double denial would be sufficiently lacking strength for me to be out.
Order filled.
Yeah. Oh, that's great news, Watley. Didn't check that. Did not verify it. I just got quickly on the stream today. So, how's the day? The day is amazing on Top 1 futures. Been, maximum profit for the copy traded account. We touch our target, 1,500s. And then the third account here is having its target as well, 1,500. So Top 1 futures is complete profit today, getting to the needed target. My Ticktick trader is down 2,000. I just ended this one with a $2,000 loss. Yeah, this is not the end. I had it last week on 2,800. Realized loss in a day, and I recovered that. Even Thrive, if I remember correctly, on Friday we had a difficult day, and we recovered out of that. We were $3,000 in loss, more than 3,000, and we recovered in profit. So it's good that we have moved ahead on Top 1, but we have slowed down on Ticktick. And this is an interesting price section, how they were capable to deny 2 candlesticks that did want it on 5 minutes for the upside, yet they're fully getting rejected on a wick. Yes, the current promotion is 35 generally, but you have 40% extra on my code, 40. And it's automatically anytime payout introduced. Ah, master trader. Pretty unfortunate. From the way the price action looks like here, this is, like I told you, difficult to trade. The price action momentum is delivering partial patterns instead of completing those patterns.
Order filled.
This is an interesting support level here
Order
where
filled.
things could react. Let's go, guys. Project X is tradable on mobile. So they have a functional platform for that. Putting my stop loss on break even here. In case we reverse and we break down, I don't have to be in a 4 contracts long. Minis. Looks beautiful. Morning Gunner. Keep in mind, everyone, we've got a $25,000 giveaway today. Let all your friends and community members know about it. We are pushing this one. Interesting trade here, and an interesting situation that we are going through. Our top 1 futures, all the accounts got into maximum profit. Now I'm working on the Ticktick trader accounts. Is this whole reaction gonna get denied again for the third 5-minute candle in a row? It's very close to be stopped out, but I've been trading more aggressive.
Order filled.
I'm out of this. Secured about $200. We had a lot more, but looks like we got stuck.
Order
Look at that one,
filled.
guys. This is interesting, right?
Order
We're backing
filled.
to our long here for a continuation. Are they gonna deny this for the 5th time? If that happens, I'm gonna take my loss. But we also have a nice momentum here.
Order filled.
Let's go, guys. Let's go. Come on, take me above 79, which is the first difficult point right next to us, and then we can speak about the 294 target that I have. Stick with us, guys. We've got the giveaway today, $25,000 tap on futures account. They're running on promotions. Stop loss is going to be to my entry, fellas. I have to do it. Setting on a large size, and I already have a loss here. Gotta do it. Let's go. Come on. Looking at the 5-minute here on trading view, and then I'm trading the price action on 1 minute. Right, so using the 5-minute and 1-minute combination for my judgment. That looks beautiful, guys. Come on. We have about 2 minutes to go for the US opening.
Order filled.
I actually sold something. Right, so I have a partial exit. And
Order
I have
filled.
a full exit there, guys. We secured $1,000 here. We were down 2,100, and in 2 trades we secured some. Look at that. Market is going wild. If they said anytime payout is included, then it's included, buddy. Let me verify here. Look at this one. Exactly, which is why I've been securing profits. Missing the continuation of the 5-minute, as we can see. Look at the reversal strength that came in. Playing cautious. Oh. Some say you exited too early. Some say perfect exit, right? Some are applauding, others are laughing about. I am enjoying the show. And I am trading, which is exactly what I love to do, guys. So that's what matters, right? I trade what I see, exactly. This is a very interesting 5-minute impulse. And we got a New York opening. Here we are. There you go, the opening bell, everyone. And it's going to the moon. It's breaking above. Look at this price action we got right above the daily opening. Let's see the reaction. Very important to see the reaction out here. It's just ripping through my screen. What's happening out here with the stock markets, everyone? Good morning, Fernandez. We're soon trading Thrive as well. But for the moment, I'm still paying attention to my Ticktick trader. Top 1 futures has been total profits for us today. Max profit on all the 3 accounts. 1,521 on the third one, and then 1,547 on the leader and then the follower as well. So top 1 has been good. Here we still have a loss of 765. Look at this candle. Look at this candle that we just got. Obviously, the way the opening is coming through is not really predictable. And I've learned something to be cautious at the time. I have profits on some accounts today trading. Oh, filling up the gap here we had at the opening. We had a gap here. 350s. But this is showing strength above the daily opening, guys, so... Interesting, really interesting. And very hard to trade this, of course. What's happening with the S&P? Not much. The one that's running better is Nasdaq, and probably Nvidia is having a great time. That's true. Nvidia is certainly having a great time here. Just broke above the yearly opening. Meanwhile, S&P is trading below, but I'm sure they're going to force the 6,000. And that's when the party is going to start above the 6,000. Look at the Nasdaq into the 400s, everyone. That's crazy. You're welcome, buddy. Keep in mind, we've got the giveaway. This is pretty much crazy, everyone. Look at that. It's not stopping. It's not reversing. It's not a fake pump. Be careful with the numbers, with the sizes. Probably you guys been shorting this, but we've been staying pretty much flat on the 15-minute here. Right, so we kind of had a squeezing momentum above the daily VWAP for the 15-minute before the opening, and then the explosion got kicked in. So there was that risk. Currently we're trading pretty much everything. I think the markets are gonna try taking the highs above the wick of 430s here. This is a crazy 15-minute candle. No pullback for me to relong this. Looking for some ways to manage this. Impossible to short it, but at the same time, any long on a decent size is extremely dangerous. If it pulls back 30, 40 points, you get knocked out. Then if you do on a reduced size, it's pretty much worthless. Losing the opportunity that way. Look at this, guys. Everything is bought up. Thank you, by the way, for joining. We had a good trading session throughout the whole day. Even this 765 is coming from a loss of 2,200 we had earlier. But it's important to grab this accounts of Tap 1 futures. I mean, by doing another 3 to 4 days this week, pretty good, we could take this one to $157,000 by the end of the week. We have 153,100. Could make another $4,000 here. And then the other week, we could push for the payout. That would be great. Really interesting, guys, the way the markets are moving. Ticktick Trader is allowing
Order
you to
filled.
Scalping, so that's what I'm gonna do here, guys.
Order filled.
Let's go. Let's just break above and squeeze.
Order filled.
And we touched the profit. I've seen the price action holding and then seeking for a squeeze, so I got into. So we eliminated the whole loss and we put this one on profit. We made a good chunk. Pretty good, guys. That's, you know, satisfying as well. When you're down 2,200 and you recover, it's satisfying. It's like you had your winner and target touched. So I don't think I'm gonna push on this account anymore today. I'm going to the third one here, which is still left to be traded. It's not too fast, Omar. Ticktick trading is without any microscalping rules, so you can do microscalping in any form. You don't have to respect 10 seconds. This is going, guys. This is going. So think about the week that we have. There's going to be some announcements that the markets are knowing today. Maybe from Powell. What do you guys think about? Why did we reacted like this on the opening? What's happening out there with Powell's speech at 1 p.m. EST time today? What do you guys think about? Is he gonna resign? On Ticktick Trader, you should be able to activate it. So inside your dashboard area, you can activate it. Log into your Ticktick Trader account, not Project X. And you have to sign basically the agreement over there as well, FTX. Oliver, you know, I think he would wish to fire him, but he's not really able. And the firing option is looking probably too brutal for the economy. So I think they have, or they might pressure him for a resign. I don't know how is it gonna be by firing basically someone bad. Should have no correlation with the political side, right? When we speak about a Federal Reserve, should have no interference with a president. They say shouldn't be pressured, but I don't think that's the way it works. Politics are quite aggressive these days. They're not sleeping around. We have seen that with all the presidents. We have seen that pretty much everywhere. Exactly, Oliver. That's what I'm thinking, and this is healthier by calling it you're fired. It's healthier for the economy. It's healthier for the way people see it is from the outside. Now, from the inside, it's pretty much the same. Behind the doors, there's been discussions in the past couple of weeks. That's why the media kept raising the subject. It's a form of you're fired, but soft. So there is this reaction today in the markets, giving us 150 points on the opening for some reason. Everyone's waiting on those rate cuts, and Powell is not delivering them. So they're already suspecting it could be a political game, a political fight between the parties, between the ideologies, which is why Trump could be seeking for someone that's on the same page with his plans. I think that's gonna take some pumping in the markets for short term, but I'm not sure how that's gonna play out on long term. Certainly difficult to predict that, guys. So let me open up my Thrive as well, Quant Tower. We're gonna get our 15-minute candle closing soon, and then as soon as it opens, the next candle, I'm gonna be jumping in a quick long for a quick scalp as soon as the new candle opens. Because I don't think we're gonna have a flat opening and the whole thing is gonna dump, right? And I'm gonna even be happy with just a few points to the upside from the opening of the new candle. Very small chances to have a flat opening and a massive dump in the next 15 minutes. Thank you guys, appreciating for being with me here. Ticktick Trader is still having 50% discount.
Order filled.
Just got into my long here.
Order filled.
New candle opens very soon.
Order filled.
Let's go, guys. Putting my stop loss on my entry slightly below.
Order filled.
We got stopped out. Switching to Quant Tower Thrive. There where we could break below there. $397. I'm out. Beautiful, guys. $485, as you can see. Quick profits. That's not bad at all. 485 bucks, quick profits. Back into a long here. Let's go all the way above 400s. We have nicely wick back for liquidity. We swept some of the late longers that got orders above 440s. They've been knocked out here. Do we get that pushback or simply not? We have our take profit on 405. If this 1 minute is not going to hold here, I'm going to be out. Come on, wipe those late shorters out. Let's go, guys. Wipe those late shorters out. Doing a partial exit there. Sold 2 contracts. We still have 4 minis. Looks pretty risky here with the markets cascading back. They pushed this one way below. Way below the levels. We're getting back to 200 EMA. Look at the price section we have here on the 1 minute chart. They might bring this all the way back to the daily opening 300s. That would be quite terrible. We're gonna get stopped out. We got stopped out there. Have got out of the trade. We got about 4 grand, 4,300. Wow, what a reversal. This is insane. You got to be kidding me, guys. Back to my Ticktick.
Order filled.
Beautiful.
Order
Out
filled.
of this quickly, so we managed to secure some profits there.
Order filled.
Adding back to my position here. What an opening we have today. And we got the giveaway coming out pretty soon, everyone.
Order filled.
Look at this one, guys. Pretty intense. Hey, buddy. Let's take it up here. We've got 4 contracts. Got 4 minis ready to go. Good morning, everyone. Trend is now totally unknown here. What's happening? Look at that. 15-minute reaction. Totally unpredictable. I'm telling you, this is totally unpredictable. The only thing that's pumping again is pretty much the gold. Look at that. This is where we are with our trade. Target sitting on 343. Yeah, it's trading like a meme coin. How are we supposed this to predict it? All the way back to the daily VWAP. 300s.
Order filled.
It's crazy. We got our target right there. Quite near to the price section. Come on, guys, let's go.
Order filled.
Beautiful. We touched the target here as well. 1,545. Great. Great. And I'm going to the last Ticktick Trader account, seeking
Order
to get
filled.
into my target here as well.
Order filled.
Need about 1,265. If we get it. If the push would have continued, that's crazy volatility we have so far. Yeah, in the previous trade we got the bottom and it's expecting basically a continuation with that move. That's why I got into along with this account as well.
Order filled.
That's enough for my take profit there. Just a little bit more, a little extra. Did not exit it, guys. That's crazy, man. What was that, guys? Let me just scroll into. What was that? Look at it. What was that? Look at this. 349. And we had a take profit on 350. What's happening
Order
in the price
filled.
section? It's dying. We got stopped out here. One single point, and it brought us down totally. This is Nasdaq today, everyone. There you go. Now, gotta accept what it is. Overall, it is a decent day because Top 1 Futures has been totally on profit. So overall, it is a decent day. Let's put it that way, everyone. Could have been better. But you guys know what's better. Is the giveaway. We are starting our $25,000 giveaway right now. So let's just wait for a few seconds out there. Everyone listen to the rules. Do not write anything for the moment, only one guess. Keep in mind. We're going for a giveaway today, guys, so you gotta listen to the rules, like I said. But before we get into, in order to participate, you have to like the video. Come on, guys, everyone, like the video. Be subscribed to my YouTube channel. And make sure you're joined to my Discord. Everyone, like the video. Sending some emojis out there. Like the video. Send some celebrations out there. Let's go, guys. Few more seconds to go. And we get straight into the subject. You have to listen. I'll tell you the command. Do not write. I haven't give out the command, guys. You have to wait. Beautiful. Alright, everyone. So from the moment you will see start in the chat, that's going to be the time to write the numbers. Numbers are not going to be accepted before starting and after the end, right? So numbers between start and end command will be accepted, guys. You have to wait and see the command first. Let's go. You have the command right there. Feel free to get started, guys. Come on. Only one guess per person between 0 and 10. Only one guess per person. Come on, guys. Good luck, everyone. Only one per person between 0 and 10. This is a $25,000 Top 1 Futures account, instant funded. Tons of people. Make sure to like the video, everyone, in order to qualify. Mia Toretto with number 10 is the end. Mia Toretto is accepted. Whatever is coming after, for example, Ray BTC and all the other ones coming after are no longer accepted in the list, guys. This is where we are for the moment. Now, let's go ahead and shuffle the wheel a few times. We've got all the numbers out here 3 times. Good luck, everyone. Who's gonna qualify for the duck race? Are you guys ready for the duck race? What is that gonna be? Is it gonna be number... We've got 2 9s there. No, it's gonna get past 9. Probably this is gonna be 6, guys. Probably this is gonna be number 6. And there you go. Number 6 is gonna be the winner. Let me scrap the list. Probably we have tons of people. If Badger is here with us, would it be lovely to have the list from Badger? I'm gonna take them one by one. Only one guess per person, guys. You gotta help me with a list. Let's go for the duck race. Let's go for the duck race. And I'm gonna add all the names that we have. Direct message. Let me see that, Badger. Is that a single list or it's just 2? You have 2 lists or just a single list? Here we have the list from the winnings. Good job, guys. Here we have the winners. Wow, that's a long list right there. Look at that one, guys. 15, 16, 17, 18. 1920 so far. Do we have more? Do we have more than this one? Alright, so it's the fullest. Beautiful. It's the fullest right there. 20 winners that we've got. 20 winners right there. That's gonna be an intense. You guys are gonna compete for 3 minutes. You definitely have to compete a lot for this, guys. 3 minutes. Let me take my face away from here. Take away all the other texts and get ready, guys. 3 minutes, you're gonna compete for a $25,000 instant funding account. I'm gonna shuffle this a few times. I like to see where's the president. I like to get the duck with the president. Where is it, guys? I guess I can easily see that by the hair. Here we are. There's the president, guys. Good luck, everyone. Let's get started. Let's go, everyone. Good luck. Good luck, guys. President is number 7, guys, but we have a lot in front. Free Humanity is dominating. He actually has won 2 giveaways so far. Let's go, guys. Come on. Look at it. There's gonna be ducks speeding up in the last 10 seconds, guys, and you're gonna get surprised. You got the clown, Andre. You got a clown. We got a disco kid hard worker. Look at that. Brick by brick hard worker. Let's go. Come on, guys. What's happening out here? It's getting close, guys. 40 seconds to go. You don't have to lead right now. That's not gonna end up too well, I'm telling you. There's gonna be someone from the second and third round winning this one. Now we're gonna see a reaction, guys. 15 seconds to go. Applause for the last place. We're gonna do an applause. Come on, guys. Look at a Twister coming through. Twister. And Twister is gonna win it. We got the winner, Twister, and the ranking right there. Congratulations, buddy. Let's do fireworks. Beautiful. Congrats, buddy. You gotta reach out to me on Discord. Private message to me on Discord, buddy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate it. First time winning Twister, you've been here since the beginning. I remember your name, buddy. Good job, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Looking forward to it tomorrow. Thank you. Appreciate it, guys. Have a good time trading. Enjoy your day. Be careful with the numbers. We've got some news coming out today. Also careful with the Powell speaking today. Have a great time, guys. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Continue with the giveaways. Don't forget about it.